Hello friends, today I will explain about the story of Tenali Tales face saving formula. Tenali Raman, known for his wit and intelligence, once found himself in a predicament that required a clear solution to save face. One day, a wealthy merchant from a neighboring kingdom visited the royal court where Tenali served. As a courtier, the merchant, known for his arrogances, boasted about his immense wealth and challenged anyone too much. His generosity, intrigued by the challenges, the king turned to Tenali Raman and asked him if he could match the merchant generosity. Without hesitating, Tenali Raman accepted the challenge but requested some time to prepare. The merchant agreed, confident that Tenali would fail to surpass his own display of wealth. Later that day, Tenali Raman invited the merchant to a grand fast feast he had organized in the merchant's honor. The merchant arrived expecting a lavish display of wealth. To his surprise, Tenali Raman served him a simple meal of rice and humble curry. The merchant, feeling insulted by what he perceived as a mockery of his challenges, scoffed at Tenali Raman and demanded an explanations for such a meager offering. Unfazed, Tenali Raman calmly replied, "Good sir, I have indeed organized a feast in your honor. However, the true feast lies not in what is on the table but in the story that accompanies it." Intrigued, the merchant listened and Tenali Raman began to narrate tales of great generosity and humility from across the lands. With each tale, Tenali Raman illustrated how true wealth lay not in material possessions but in act of kindness, wisdom, and humility. By the end of evening, the merchant realized his own folly in measuring wealth solely by material means. He apologized to Tenali Raman for his arrogance and thanked him for teaching him a valuable lesson. The king, impressed by Tenali Raman's wisdom and ability to turn potentially embracing situation into profound teaching moment, honored him with even greater respect. From that day forward, Tenali Raman's reputation as a wise and clever career grew even stronger, and his stories of wit and wisdom became legendary across the kingdom. Thank you.